I'm doing all £3.
Nova UK ceramic pans.
Back when you're cooking with them. They will go in the oven with the handle attached up to 180 degrees. The handle will get hot, so make sure you keep folks. I'll show you again. The best value.
There we go. We sold out the black ones, unfortunately.
What colour is it?
Yeah. What colour would you like, ladies? Unfortunately, we don't have a cartridge.
And here we have devil dog sauce. We have just purchased some of that sauce. I had the pineapple one, and round the corner from that are all these lovely wood carvings. And just here, that is seasoning. And here, petty hen, the Scotch eggs. Here is one of their leaflets. Some of the stores I won't be able to film very good. It is busy here, as you can see. Hopefully I can get close to a few and give you a good view of what's on offer. Some more brownies and cakes just there. Cinebox, cinnamon rolls and swirls just here. I'm quite partial to a cinnamon bun. There is so much food, drink, ice cream, even cutlery. Just a whole different range and variety of stuff. Just over there is Turkish Delight and other different kinds of foods. Just here we have oysters. Oh, so these are savoury crackers. Just here is the CBD honey and turmeric. We decided just to walk straight down. There is just so much stuff here. We even got some cars on show, Lexus. And we're just headed to the cookie pie. Oh, look at these. These look absolutely amazing. Just purchased the Biscoff and the Crunchy. These are cookie pies, and I can't wait to tuck into one of those in a minute. So we've just had a few bites of these cookie pies, and they are absolutely amazing. Very rich, but taste absolutely delicious. I'm going to save that little bit for later. And we've just grabbed a seat here in front of Summer Kitchens. The show is about to start at about 11 AM. It's nice just to have a sit down for 5 and enjoy a little bit of food.
For nearly 1,000 years in a small
Northern Italy, naturally crafted in a unique way, making it a quality cheese for everyone. Choose Parmigiano Reggiano, the only Parmesan. While your whole
To be honest, the audience started yawning. It's unusual for me to come out. People are already bored of me. Good morning.
Morning.
How are we? Fabulous hair, by the way, young lady. Isn't that cool? How are we all doing? We all well? Good. Come and sit down. Any celiacs in the house? Fine. This weekend, all our chefs and cooks have been cooking up some fabulous food in the wonderful hex-clad pans. Regina kitchen roll. Beautiful absorb.
Oh God, that's gluten free. Let's run a mile. Let's be like, oh, that's not for me. This demo is not for me. I'm never going to make them. It's completely for you as well, because all these recipes are very much just identical, whoever you are. I feel like, and it's just these tiny little tweaks that you have to make. And my sort of thing is that so many people in this world know someone who's gluten free, and they at one time or another need to cater.
We were just over there watching the food show featuring Chris Bavin and Becky XL, and then we went over there and we got ourselves a free goodie bag, and now we're just going to carry on and explore all the different foods. Even got some furniture for sale to put out in the garden or in the kitchen or lounge. Oh, some sugary treats and some pastries, and we have pizza next door. Just over there is a food and bar. Pulled pork just here. And this part just here is Gardener's World. So here is the lemonade fountain.
So this is the manufacturer. This is the razor shop. Okay, took inspiration from this.
Yeah.
So if you struggle with, I reckon.
Peck sausages just over there. And kin knives just here. Just getting some food at Dowlad's pizza place. Fresh pizzas.
See, let me score if I tried to ring you, tell you, because I knew that time you would buy your mum and dad.
Some hot tubs here. Just finished our food. And this is the garden centre part. Some Wellington boots. Very nice. Look at that massive one. Absolutely huge. Look at these little huts. Wow. Imagine having one of these in the garden. It's got its own little bar. These are amazing.
This is 23 grand.
23 grand for this one. And the one we just looked at was 8 grand. These are absolutely beautiful. Yeah. I like these little sculptures just here.